As the 21st century keeps trying to get greener, PureCycle's strategy remains focused on expanding its production capacity, increasing customer adoption, and leveraging regulatory support for recycled polypropylene. Despite commercial delays and financial shortfall in Q4 2025, PCT's progress in technology, operations, and international expansion sets a strong foundation for future growth. Before covering progress in its production capabilities, let's get the negativity out of the way first. As there was a significant revenue shortfall, with $2.7 million in revenue against an expected $6.38 million, causing a raging bearish reaction that would make any plastic bottle melt. In contrast, operational performance saw PCT achieve a record 7.5 million pounds of recycled polypropylene production at its Ironton purification facility in Q4. It also made substantial progress at its Denver feedstock processing facility, which processed 14 million pounds of material, a 35% increase from the previous quarter. At Ironton, a 60 to 65% utilization rate was reached, setting production records. Moreover, the first phase of on-site compounding at Ironton has started, with Phase 2 expected to be completed by March. This phase will allow the company to scale its production in high-value segments, such as biaxially oriented polypropylene film, used in flexible packaging. Although these operational achievements are impressive, PureCycle is still facing challenges in converting its technical successes into commercial scale. A high hurdle has been delays in customer qualification and adoption, particularly for its food-grade recycled polypropylene. Regulatory hurdles, notably in New Jersey, have contributed to the slow pace of customer adoption and delayed expected revenue growth. PureCycle's revenue was also impacted by macroeconomic factors, including rising commodity prices and shifting consumer trends. Brands have shifted focus to supply chain optimization rather than sustainability initiatives. These headwinds have temporarily slowed demand for sustainable packaging. However, management remains optimistic, emphasizing that these challenges are short-term and that 2026 will bring a resurgence in demand as inflation moderates and supply chains stabilize. PCT's commercial pipeline has grown significantly, expanding to over 170 active projects, up from 100 in Q3. It anticipates a significant ramp-up in the first half of 2026, especially in high-growth sectors like quick-service restaurants, value household goods, and premium pet food. CEO Dustin Olson believes it's not a question of if, but when brands will adopt recycled polypropylene at scale. Globally, PureCycle's expansion projects are progressing well. Its Thailand facility, with a planned 130 million pound capacity, is on track for mechanical completion in 2027. Local partnerships have been secured and favorable government incentives are expected. In Belgium, the Antwerp project is moving forward, with construction expected to begin in 2027 and mechanical completion targeted for 2028. Technologically, PCT completed its Gen 2 purification design work, which is expected to lower production costs below those of virgin polypropylene. Early results suggest that as operations scale, production costs per pound will decrease significantly, improving efficiency and profitability. PureCycle is also managing its cash burn, which amounted to $24.5 million in Q4, and has reduced high-cost debt, including repaying $20.3 million in equipment leases and $9.8 million in Ironton bond principal payments. Additionally, it extended the exercise periods for its warrants, preserving approximately $273 million in potential future capital. So just like plastic that refuses to decompose, PCT has some short-term cracks, but is far from being fully decomposed, as it holds onto an optimistic outlook for growth from ramped-up production and an increasing commercial pipeline, not unlike other green stocks that have dipped into the bargain bin while still keeping a clean act. The kind of stocks with crisp charts you can watch on TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free. Link in the description and pinned comment.